All right, what's see? You're finally here, yeah?
Finally, Tawang.
Tawang. Welcome back to another episode, another beautiful day in Tawang. Dear friends, आज मैं हूँ वाटसन के साथ तवांग मोनेस्ट्री पे. As you can see, it's so beautiful and the colors are yellow, red and white. It is contrasting the elements of nature. And as you can see, the town, the beauty of Tawang. Alright guys, so finally we are here in this beautiful Tawang monastery. Dear friends, they say the Tawang monastery is the second biggest and oldest monastery in Asia. And it is also known as Tawang Ganden Namgyal Latse. That means the celestial paradise of divine sight chosen by the horse was founded by Mirag Lodroy Gamso in the year 1680. Right now we are inside the Tawang monastery. You can see the Buddha, Dalai Lama, His Holiness, and the beautiful colors inside the monastery and the beautiful paintings around the walls. The structure of the building inside the monastery. Dear friends, right now we are here in this beautiful valley called the Mahabodhi. These are stupas, as you can see, and we are going to watch this valley, which is located in Delhi. Okay, this is a small place in Arunachal, next to Tawang. It is called the Delhi, and this place right now we are in is called the Mahabodhi. Dear friends, now the next day we are on road to Bumla Pass. So we stayed on Tawang last night and now we are going to, you can see the roads are beautiful. The weather is so serene, nice weather, no snow, no black ice. So far so good. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं बुमला पास तक, मैं और मेरा दोस्त Watson. And I hope you will enjoy the video. So keep on watching till the end. Okay guys, so you can see lovely place, lovely weather. I would say when the weather will be bad and there will be black ice in the road, you should come along with a car. Yeah, make sure bike rides are good, make sure you have good tires. Then they have chained up a light motorcycle, dirt bikes. They're more fun. So you can see the black ice. So guys, we're almost there. There we go, ice, black ice. Need to be careful in this. We're almost about to reach Bumla. 6 more kilometers left.
It's a frozen lake over here, you can see. People are throwing stones just to see how it feels. Wow, what a place, what a view. Alright. Slow down! What's in the slow down? So guys, you can see the roads are nice, no ice. So we're so lucky to be here today. Almost there. 0.5 km Bumla.
Alright guys, so finally we made it to the top of Bumla Pass, 15,000 feet above the sea level. Here we are. Look at the view. So excited. Alright guys, as you can see we are here in Bumla, snow-capped mountains, 15,000 feet above the sea level. Right over there we have China. Finally we made it with our Aerox and our classic 350 RE. They have been a phenomenal companion all this while. Wow. Okay guys, it's time to go back.
Alright, so Bumla ho gaya hum log ka. We're done with the Bumla thing. And now going back, there we go, what's in is coming. So guys, see this beautiful view all the way down. That's Watson. So guys, if you're planning to escape the hustle bustle, I reckon this is one of the best routes to ride for a few days. So from Assam, you can come to Assam and then take a bike and ride straight to Tawang. Before that, just make sure you check few hotels, homestays. They're very cheap, affordable I mean to say. You will get a nice one in around 15 to 2,500, 2,000. Yeah, they're very nice. The people are very warm. Once again, here I am, living the dream.
You see that board behind?
दोस्तों हम लोग यहाँ पे रुके हैं, क्विक ब्रेक. As you can see, the view is spectacular. So दोस्तों अभी हम लोग बुमला पास से रिटर्न हो रहे हैं एंड रास्ते में हमें बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू मिला है. एंड देन वी हैव डिसाइडेड टू स्टॉप एंड enjoy this view for a moment and then we'll proceed. What a view. All right, beautiful people. So finally we are back to Tawang. This is a very famous spot in Tawang, which you can see from the town of Tawang. A huge Buddha statue. And after completing our ride from Bumla, now it's time to head back to our room. And we are going to relax for a while. And then we're gonna move tomorrow to Kaziranga National Park. Dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Right now we are back to our room and tomorrow, as you know, we are going to Kaziranga National Park in Assam. And please leave your comments down below so that I can utilize your valuable feedbacks, and I hope in future I can provide you good videos. So please subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Okay, now we are entering Bura Pahar range.